Well, 6 wins in 6 games with 60 wickets and comprehensive wins. India have clearly lived up to the tag of defending champions in this World Cup so far and have made their intentions absolutely clear. They won't give it back. Here's more on India's incredible World Cup campaign so far. 6 matches, 6 wins, 60 wickets taken, 1,444 runs scored. Team India is in 7th heaven. Whatever the men in blue have touched in the World Cup has turned into gold. And now after the first round over, the team looks good to go all the way.
I think the crucial part is for everybody to score runs, to get wickets and to bowl well, because ultimately in the knockout stages you don't really know, who all you may need. So it's important that everybody gets a bit of confidence going, and as you rightly said, most of the batsmen, they've got some kind of a batting so far. The bowlers have done well.
The good part is that Team India has performed as a team. In the batting department, if the openers have failed, the middle order has delivered. If that's not worked, the latter half has bailed the team out. The biggest difference though has been the bowling, especially the pacers who have pushed the opposition into submission. India dismissed Pakistan for 224 runs in 47 overs. South Africa were bundled out only for 177 runs in 40.2 overs. Minnows UAE managed to bat only 31.3 overs, scoring 102 runs. West Indies were a bit better, but all out for 182 runs in 44.2 overs. Ireland tried hard but were all out in the 49th over for 259 runs. Zimbabwe were the best but were all out in the 49th over again for 287 runs.
As far as group stages go, India couldn't have asked for a better one. Just compare this side to the one that started the World Cup. They weren't anything more than a possible contender, defending champions, but now they've established themselves as firm favourites together with co-host New Zealand. Batting, bowling, fielding, everyone in each department has put their hand up at least in one match. And that's the difference between possible contenders and possible champions.
A lot of us feel that now it's the knockout stages, so we'll have to do something extra. India does not need to do that. India need to keep playing one game at a time because they have Bangladesh probably to play at the quarterfinals.
Along the way, Indian captain MS Dhoni too has overtaken Clive Lloyd in winning his 10th World Cup match in a row. However, Dhoni and his team know the real test for the team starts now. One slip could turn a dream into a nightmare. With Shivani Gupta in Auckland, Sports Bureau, headlines today.